Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the SiriusXM app on a device. Now if you want to install the SiriusXM app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install that. So after connecting to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, you just need to open App Store on your iPhone, and if you're using Android, then you just need to open Play Store on a device. So after that you will see various options on the bottom taskbar of iPhone, so click on the option of search. So currently I'm on the search page. From here you just need to click on the option of search box and search SiriusXM. So click on the option of SiriusXM and you'll see the icon like this. So it is an music, sports and news app, and to install it click on the option of get, which is highlighted on blue. So after clicking on the option of get, a pop-up will appear saying install and all of it, so click on the option of install. So that's it. That's how you can install the SiriusXM app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.